Alright, so I've been working on some displays, some things to show the output of these logic-based systems I'm working on. And here's my printer. Pretty cool. I now have a BP that I can just dispense the word ass wherever I want. But yeah, now let's take a look at something maybe a little bit more useful. Debatable, I guess. But here is the 5x7 display panel. Yeah, I'm going to display a character here, and then we're going to reset it after. While it's loading up, you'll see in the background there's my display controller. It accepts binary or decimal input, and it works off of lane switchers, 35 of them. And yeah, well, my next tutorial video in the tutorial series will cover how to make the flip-flop switch, and that switch is basically the backbone of the entire system. It does all the lane switching. Now we're going to take a look at the display controller. And here it is. It's very big. And then here is the filler data. Like I said, these are our lane switchers, so there's the filler for switching. And here are the injectors for the data, the oil codes. It's just locking gates using water. Now we're going to look at the water reset. 7 water go through a balancer just to make sure 1 water gets to each of the 7 rows. There it goes. And then it just collects back to the gate. And then, yeah. Now we're going to look at the paths. Pretty self-explanatory. Pause it if you need to take a look at any of this. And then finally, stack display to how to make one of these LED display panels. You've got to stack them up vertically, and they've just got to have a little bit of overlap, but it's needs to be closer than even the smallest nudge will let you get. So we're going to use a little trick here. We're going to use this beam column, and you'll see it lets us place a wall wherever we're pointing. It doesn't snap to anything. So then we just need to get it really close. You need to be very meticulous in your placement, aligning all of these. I'd recommend doing it in a blueprint designer, like doing 1 row, like a row of 5, and then just stacking that beyond that, maybe, if you can. But yeah, you'll get a display panel like that, except we have one problem. You can't rotate it up and get it completely vertical. So you also need to use these tilted walls. So once you've got your layout for the walls, you need to get your tilted walls on those on those overlapping walls, and then you can get your completely vertical wall light. And then yeah, you just want to get those stacked up. I did the 3 little light bars right there, and then I would yeah, I wouldn't use the bottom row, so I just stacked those up. I used 3 light bars to represent 1 pixel. And then you just wire them all up. But yeah, that should be it. Thanks for watching. Peace.